I did not come to joke, and I did not come to play. I did not come to beg. I came to take the power, and you will share the power with me. So I want Mr. policies na me diaba no. Na mo show me ye. My catch them that I say Eastern region, Sika Adama Sasa so $192 billion. And just remember who found the money. Cheddar. I found the money on your grounds. They say the Husikano Ewa Sasa so $192 billion.
You see, a yes one making somebody aware, say you have it means say you are truthful. It means say when you embrace or become correct because unim say when you money be. The pattern since 1992, that's where I'll take it from, and since independence. I buy and now when all born say Ghana sika say na mo omo kada. Because some say sika no ye buy ye be wia ye catch us say ye obi sa na headai. But ye run na kwa mbedi akon. Was me catch da. Say wonnim say wo sika me catch us say Ghana ni wo sika.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.
Mama Karaba Xposed GH watch FM Bembro. So subscribe, mami little pair now inside biaka. Still on the tour, new force, and I'm told so, and now you could do Eastern region. Now you do one na a massive. Massive, the word is massive. Na asemba kwa okaya na echo through. Osi Eastern region mu osika $197 billion. Eshe asasias mehu sika no. Ni yeba betu sika no. Okaya no bia se hey sika say ai NDC nka asemwe nchirawo NPP nka asemwe gwara onuro oma bewie sika no. New force pen your cars in which say you 197 billion Eastern region kwa ye goti emra.
All right. Okay. Now, I feel we more than I might ladies on the tour about it. Are you people ready to do something? Because don't say you don't. Because if you don't do something, something will do something to you. They say, the man here be here. The winner will be here. Because I did not come to joke, and I did not come to play. I did not come to beg. I came to take the power, and you will share the power with me. So I want Mr. policies na me diaba no. Na mo show me ye. My catch them that I say Eastern region, Sika Adama Sasa so $192 billion. And just remember who found the money. Cheddar. I found the money on your grounds. They say the Husikano Ewa Sasa so $192 billion. Wait. Let me say it again. Your gold, your diamonds, your cocoa, your bauxite, is $192 billion. Obieni ha onisika ewontam echeme me say nyame ka tram mu tiemu Me say obi eni ha oni sika e won tam chene na obi a be dia na me di maduru no sika enya asem bi se sika ya asem a ana ka me hu a ka me kan chiro ka me ka kufa ba me say e wo dia so get ready the freedom Jacob Caesar Nana Kwame Bediako. I am coming to give you your economic freedom, your 12 pillars of freedom, your 12 pillars of autonomy. I am giving it to you. I am giving it to you. I'm saying my best. We are coming to take what belongs to us. When I tell you that the 12 economic pillars with only 12 ministers, the apostolic governance. Mr. Ramo, Musha action Ebabesino. Musha enju Ebabepie. Mese Abia Yodiano. I can say one Naoji. Naoji we are, I can say one Naokrano. Now we are, I can say one Okra. Remember be a gentleman, sir. Are you people ready to hold what belongs to you? Are you people ready? Are you ready? No, wait. There's some people at the back there. They don't have energy. Okada. Leave the bags and come here. Come forward. Shoot forward. Okada, I said move forward. Come for the glory. I am motorbike na mo protecting ana. I am motorbike na mo protecting ana. Akumamu amodimu sisi mama so na ndona so say obe kasa wo yansa bi on say yamba omo kruma awofu omo wo yen tuma on say omo bre mo say mo mama mo bre mo say mo nyamba mo bre mo say mo papa mo adwuma say so mo say mo ni da so nyina ko Ediebe na moye ya de mo besi sa atibia we ni. Ediebe na moye ya amanyere ye. Edi mo besi tibia we ni. Amena so. Se mo baye madwene ye. Na ochire bi be no. Na ye jina nyina no ya san en kopra mutiere me say emre na so emre ne nya bia emre no dane na wo nyusu emre ya oni beti no na wa ya brewa ana wa ya kopra na emre no ato na wo youth o chena bi na obi fofo na be youth eti Monya Musa Yambrava, Momen Susambre, Nayan Fentoya Mammo, Omo Comso, Nayan Famaya Papa Munyajuma, Yambo, Yambani and Yanoma, Omunyajuma, Yandra and Aso, Naya Sajuma. Na media Nipa Breakase, I have bino, a politicians, no way, sir. Baby, I know, sir. They all have their up and downs, but the person tells yes, they need to do anything if we are. As I said, Mushasi, Mushasi, now we a mistake for the first time, a mistake, but we for the second time, there a decision. I adwene na wafa nti mo nya mistake no ntoa so so ati na mechi o eti na me ka kire mo se mo wa adwene na efie nyansa na mo wa kokoduro na mo wa nidaso na ensi saye bi ba Bamcho muti. Me say me ko toya me ko ira. Me shepa na embe me na me wo baby. I wo kwa pep. Na me buru bebre ba me ho. They showed me love. But when I looked at them and I looked, there was tears in my eyes. Because now my brain will be over. Omuni bibi ye. Nti acho omo ene bi a nsanom ene no ma bi a omo nonom. Enso yentimi nhwe emabunu a omo wa hoden a omo wo nyansa a omo betimi aye adwuma aboa oman so omo ntina ho na omo nsai ene miko baby akon sawo mra ama miko hu papa bi wona ne yire ana ne ba na papa le kaso bi kire me papa le nyini wodi 90 na nyefra ne yire so di 85 ana ne ba edi 65 ana mo nyina omote one room ana o se watena ho from the time I Kwame Nkrumah before so we are independent. As someone person the catch them say, Papa, maybe I will take someone our constituency be a yeke. What home for 60 years. A one society, the gate in society, the dying society, and so I want man all. And here would
you see, a yes one making somebody aware. Say you have it means say you are truthful. It means say when you brace or back can cry because unim say when you boni be. Me pato since 1992, that's where I'll take it from, and since independence. Abai and now when all boss say Ghana sika say na mo omo kada. Because omo mi say sika no ye ba ye be wia ye catch us say ye obisa na edai. Ba ye run na kwamba di akon, was me catch da. Sa wonnim sa wo sika meka cho se Ghana ni wo sika. Was Eastern region alone more $197 billion. Obeka na say ko IMF near per 3 billion. Na jojo mu jojo because of 3 billion no na mobo. Tina de bia me say Ghana ba bia ye gina no e ho na esi gina na. Meanwhile, Eastern region alone you were $197 billion. Esha asase ase. Na asem no ka no munti ase ye enye se be raw materials no ka o ba se ye ba betu near refining near turning near cotton amagrofo no hard currency. That is what he's talking about. Because if yes one obi ase be undream beyond what you have now, you are a useless person. And so to me dreaming big and dreaming beyond what you have. And that is how the Nakwame Bediako is dreaming. The dream near so huge say what's ya na ye masho but are possible. Because sabe nyankopo obo wiase no odim se nkofo we media de we mama mu betimi aye adenti na Africa fon kwa de nyame de ma ye yentimi ye e ya dwen no na ye yusu ye nene ye wa na kwa media kwa bo say look sika we ne wo ye betu ye tu a ye be refine no ni a repackage ni a ton am back ni a diom sika no because shoma ye de ye tu no raw ne de akọ enti ye tu so much. But we are earning so little. So when you obi owo anidaso hunu vision, no kase me wa be refining no, bring it back and get money. That is the man I want to follow. Now opa che say oba accountability will be what his slogan. Because me person me accountable. I don't know me choose sika ukura. Say me no ba business. Sika no de man me no me ma fetch me usika da ho. Me person me no kwal pepe me cho sika da ho no hu sabi na Kwame Bediako wa kire yen Oye, Nini Baba Hubert, also for my no say, listen, and Kokurafono, come. Say, and done it, and yet be new. You better market time, you go to no somra.
May can be a nice one. Samuko so the Akonyano man Kokurafoa. We will forever remain the same.
We will forever remain the same if you vote for the old men.
If you need a new result, if you need a new Ghana, then you need a new face.
Nice one.
Then you need a new face.
We need a new face.
Then you need a new face.
And you need a new face.
You need a new blood.
A new God.
You need a new blood.
We need a new blood.
You need a new blood.
A new blood.
New energy.
New energy.
New energy.
New energy.
A new force.
New force.
New force.
To move forward.
New force.
To move forward.
New force.
To move forward.
Elias away. You be say, Sawunim baby a wo kwa. Ana wonim anamantu a obetua. Ubegina fa akoache. Enkokura de bia market said the vision of the old man no a high time we slash it off. The vision has long been dead and gone. Obi asabe wahwe ne man nyina bobra nyina awie. Ofo vision ban pa no bewo pa diama Ghana. Wa bobra awie wahwe ne man nyina awie. Vision ban no be. He's not even ambitious. It's here so we should change the status quo. Because every day we are the same way, we'll never go forward. But time my yebetimi who said it's time to change the rhythm. It's time to change the direction. Sad time na yebekwadim. Ghana baby ye fia kwe ya IMF since independence. It's ye ninyansa say IMF na emfa ye nko baby ya. Ete say nsuo ye de kenten na ekọ nsuo. Woman nim say sikanom de amai na kenten ye kwa enye mada. But because omnim say ye ni adwenti omo de amai say won fa nko ye nim say de ekọ enkosi hwe. Nemom te say na kwambedi e ka che say sika wo fam no. Say me ne wo ye be ya adwen ba ko ne ye be turn ye the wheels around. Ne ye be who say it's time to add what value to what God has given us. Sa de no na ye be di ye. Enye sa ne ye ba be ye hu nyina say o ye twen ye ba ko di sika no ye ko bobo se ne ye di ye wi ane akọ IMF a ye nunu ye hu ne ye jimi ye hu ai ye jimi Pro Max ai uni ma me catch all because listen ukọ bobo se a na sabe oba na be twati na uti nkosua na odi a how are you going to pay and uti na yet to pay a debt because we don't even have a plan ye ko just can ye ni plan o ye tibi kwaji loan ni aka say oh bibi capacity building kwa 10 billion meanwhile loan na kwaji na 12 billion na capacity building kwa 10 billion na sikala ka he eti ye loan ye kwaji no almost about 70% goes into people's pockets. So how do we develop as a nation? Now so semene ye beka na kwa me ho na ye nyina ya boa no ne akopem machines aba ye tunyama no ourselves na sabi ya refining no it will take time though but ye bedu ho because unim say etire ni ka kire wo say montomobo na ye bedu a ye nyina bedi nachi na se ne na akwa ye bi mu amenya ye se ye ntate ye belt yi wo hwe yie but na kwa mbedi akode ne o ka no media mejinidi se won jini dia media mejinidi I expose GHFM Bruce Patch on subscribe mommy we are still open for business funerals birthdays anything I'm out.
Keep watching Xposed GH, the best channel on all of YouTube. Yes.